blank, he thinking, angry. That's right. Done. This is your heroine. It's for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ.
Salman, talking
Sal-
about Salman Lipika. Namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Talking about the childlike quality, you have one in you. Would you like to expose it to the media
मेरे में
today?
child है.
Not that one.
मैं उसी को जन्म
Not
दे
the
दूं.
9-month wala. Not the childlike quality. And how have you maintained the
You know,
innocence?
just
how have you-
innocence
innocence
वही.
intact?
वही. It's there.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Would you like
This
to?
is where the innocence is. Innocence से हमको when we were showing, I'll take name also. Yeah. So no, but it's a superb name to take. मैंने प्यार किया, I was complete the rush stage. So I was calling all my friends and everybody. I was to work out at the Sea Rock. So everyone from Sea Rock came. So Zeenat Aman was there. She used to work out there at the Sea Rock. She at that point in time was married to Mazhar Khan. So I said, come and see the film, Zeenat ji. So she came to see the film. She came out of the film. She says, I said, what? This is childish. It's not a love story. So I said, why do you say that? He said, I'm going to shut my eyes and you are rubbing Idex on the ankle. So I said, because the scene was actually such that she got hurt below her knee, but Bhagishi said that I will not show my knee. So I think from there, Mai Mude. Ye gana aaya. So we had to do on the ankle. But this is ridiculous. I can understand ki mid-thigh per, and you rubbing, and there you say that, that I'll shut my eyes. I can understand that. But ankle and... I told him. He said, but now what to do? That happened. So Bhageshri unknowingly has contributed a lot to our thing. There came a kiss thing. So I said, kiss, abhi kaise karunga? I said, Suraj Babu, I'm slightly uncomfortable with it. He said, you're uncomfortable? So you I can still convince. She is still refusing to do it. So refusing? This is a love story. This is, that one kiss. Not thodi ke, there's no spit swapping happening. There's no smooching happening there. It's just that. So I said, that? Okay. That much? Just one. That much. So, this is a Rajshri film, yeah? So, I said, okay, chalo. She said, no. So, walking around. What he does. Then now the belt is gone shorter. One belt used to be going throughout. Then one pen used to be here. Oh, pura ink yahan par gira hua hai. Walking. 2 20-year-olds walking. One walking this side, one walking that side. He said, done. Does not need to do it. Huh? कांच लेके आओ. I said, this is brilliant. So that kaanch has come because then came short dress. She had agreed to wear the short dress. Now she's getting married. So no short dress, Himalaya mountain is written on there. I said, मेरी बीवी short dress नहीं पहनेगी. So I said, ये लो. So I said, now what to do? So I said, me getting angry, blank, he thinking, angry. That's right. Done. This is your heroine. It's for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ. What's that? वो फोल्डिंग वाला रिफ्लेक्टर होता था. तो गोल्ड रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा काटे उन लोग ने 2 को ज्वाइन किया और पीछे से दिखाया कि ये शॉट है. And they were like...
No, but honestly, what he and Bhagishi did really made the film, because you suddenly know that this is Maryada. Nothing works better anywhere than Grace,
हाय सलमान, वसीम है फ्रॉम इंडिया न्यूज़। सबसे पहले धनतेरस की ढेर सारी
आपके सवाल का
शुभकामनाएं।
जवाब मिल गया ना?
हाँ है।
Yeah.
मैंने प्यार किया से आप ओवरनाइट सुपरस्टार तो बन गए थे, लेकिन शायद हमने ये सुना कि कई सालों तक स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था, फिर से अपने आप को एज ए हीरो लॉन्च करने के लिए तलाश रहे थे। लेकिन हर डायरेक्टर, हर प्रोड्यूसर यही चाहता था कि आपको भाग्यश्री के साथ एज ए कपल साइन करे।
प्रॉब्लम ये तो हिमालय नहीं चाहते थे ना, हिमालय को उन्हीं के साथ काम करना था। So at that point in time when Bhagyashree quit, तो it became like ये तो पिक्चर भाग्यश्री की है, सलमान खान तो was just lucked out fluke. In that time, one producer came and signed me, and his name was Himesh Reshamya. Himesh Reshamya must have been about 15 and a half years old. Seriously. Seriously.
Okay.
Before the film released, Himesh Reshamya and Bubby Kent were the two people who signed me. But the first one to sign me and start shooting, Bubby Kent was still waited. You know, कि picture चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, all that. But Himesh did 2 days of shooting at ये अपना लालबाग का जो राजा है ना, that whole street, huh?
Yeah.
He shot with me there. So it was, before the release, I was still shooting for मैंने प्यार किया. So he could, get away with that. So he was the one. And so in this song also, Chandi ki dal par sone ka mor, was a song that was recorded for that film. Remember that name of the film was called Yuva.
Okay.
And after that, मैंने प्यार किया.
But मैंने प्यार किया के बाद, Sanam, remember you tell me 6 months तक no one is...
No work.
No work.
I used to call him, I said, Suraj Babu, biggest film ever. Bigger than my father's film, Sholay. My father is saying, I'm so glad कि मेरे बेटे ने मेरा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा. तो I said, Dad, आपके पास पिक्चर है बहुत थी, उसके बाद यहाँ पर कोई नहीं आ रहा. So then Deepak Shivdasani, I remember, came to me with a remake of, I think it was a Bengali film. And so the Mithunda and 17 Brothers. It was a very old film that he wanted to make a remake of. So I met him at the Sea Rock, and he says कि ये है, and जो 17वां भाई है ना, सबसे छोटा वाला, वो तू है. As it is, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, उसके ऊपर से दीपक शिवदसानी. And so I didn't even feel like eating anything. कि कुछ खाएगा, ऐसे क्या खाऊं अभी, भूख ही मार दिया. So and I decided at that point in time कि now is back to direction. I should be an assistant now. इसके बाद 6 महीने तक कोई काम ही नहीं, अब इसके बाद क्या काम मिलेगा? So I said, let it go. And then I saw this one woman walking in a red sari. So in the Sea Rock, I still, straight remember the visual. So I said, I'll go into direction. I'll start directing, I'll start writing. Because I don't want to do this kind of stuff. तो ऐसे पागल हो गया, अपने आप को समझता क्या है, all that stuff happened. तो ऐसे क्या है तेरे पास, script क्या है तेरे पास? तो ऐसे I've got this one plot of, and I can see this girl walking. I've got this one plot of this girl who is been broken down into becoming a prostitute. And this one guy who goes with his friends there, and they, save her and they get her out of that, and he eventually ends up marrying her. Bagi. ये हुआ conversation. He said, now, सुनाएगा मेरे को? तो हाँ सुन लो. तो he said, कब? So I said, कभी भी अगले महीने. नहीं, मुझे कल सुना दे. Now I had to go back and write the whole one line of the film. So I wrote the whole film. As soon as I ran from Sea Rock, came home, started writing that whole one line. In that time came, my dad has spoken to Mr. G.P. Sippy कि मेरे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं हो रहा सर, सबसे बड़ी हिट होगी, 6 महीने तक कोई भी नहीं आया है. Nobody, no A, no B, no C grade, nobody has come home to sign me for a film. So he said, sir, वो एक announcement दे दो. So then GPCP Saab gave the announcement. Ramesh Turani was very instrumental in getting me the second film because he heard that GPCP had signed me for a movie. Just an announcement. He has gone and signed the music at that point of time for 5 lakh rupees. So the film Patthar Ke Phool was made because of that 5 lakh rupees that GPCP gave, that Mr. Ramesh Turani gave Mr. GPCP. So वहाँ से then there was a lot of
Hi Salman sir.
films. Yeah.
सर हाय सुविज्ञ, माय नेम इज सुविज्ञ। सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको बर्थडे की एडवांस में विशेस देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि शायद तब तो मैं आपके पास होऊंगा नहीं विश करने के लिए। सर ये जानना चाहता था कि 27 ईयर्स में उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको क्या एक कुछ चेंजेस आए सर के साथ काम करने में, लाइक उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको कुछ ऐसा लगा कि
I don't think there's any change. The rapport is the same. In fact, I mean, we understood each other as well then as well as we understand each other now. So that connect, that bonding is very strong. And जब तक the actor and director का bonding नहीं होता, the chemistry between the girl and the boy will never come across. So because the writer, the director has to bond really well with the actor. And now because we've been friends for such a long time, our careers have started together. Rashtri's, I'm here because of Rashri and Suraj Babu. So our journey has been like really, really very comfortable, very comfortable.
But for this film, when I went to him with the script, he's wanting to go back and back and back. I said, 27 saal, he wants to go back. He has understood the script much more than me. He's made it purer and purer. There's a part in this, Arman is playing a villain. So he dies in the end. So one day Arman came to me. I said, सूरज जी, मैं सलमान भाई मुझे बोले कि बहुत अच्छा एंड सोचा है। मैंने कहा क्या? बोले नहीं, वो एंड में तुम मर रहे हो ना। तो बोले नहीं, सूरज बढ़ जाते के पीछे क्यों विलन मरे? वो बोलता है मैं भी मैंने बोला तो ही सेइंग कि नहीं मुझे मारो, मुझे मरने तो, मुझे जिंदा नहीं रहना है, आई वांट टू डाई। बट दैट्स व्हाट ही बिलीव्स। ही सेड लाइक इट as pure.
सूरज बढ़ जाते हैं film, if we cannot turn the negative into positive, then, but we've not done it, we'll do the next one. But yeah, that would have been so lovely कि इस इतनी सारी पॉजिटिविटी के अंदर एक नेगेटिव आदमी यहाँ पर I should not be, वो खुद हाथ छुड़ा देता है, but we didn't have time to shoot that.